How to freeze Wise card using the mobile app. Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to freeze your Wise card using the Wise mobile app. Freezing your card is a great way to protect your funds if your card is lost or stolen. Step 1. Open the Wise app on your mobile device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Next, tap on the Cards tab at the bottom of your screen. This is where you'll find all your Wise card options. Now, select the card you want to freeze. If you have more than one, make sure you're choosing the right one. Once you're on your card settings, tap on the option that says Freeze Card. This will instantly stop any transactions from going through. You'll see a confirmation message letting you know that your card is now frozen. Don't worry, this is temporary and reversible. When you're ready to use your card again, simply go back to the same screen and tap and freeze card. It's quick and easy.